Speedy, are you curious about what's in the box? Let's find out what's in the box. Can't let Christmas have all the fun. So here we have an ugly Halloween sweater. And it pays tribute to all of those classic Halloween monsters. Kind of a tight fit, but so there we go. You got Dracula, you got witches, you got Frankenstein, all represented. You can't let Christmas have all the fun with the ugly sweaters. But you know, I think this sweater would actually look pretty good on a friend of mine. Now that sweater looks really good on you. I think it brings out your cheekbones a little bit. So let's move on and see what else is in the box. HalloweenCostumes.com and Fun.com have a lot of really cool pop culture costumes. And I mean, for me, there's nothing cooler than being able to dress up as Marty McFly from Back to the Future 2. I think I'm ready for a Pepsi Perfect at the Cafe 80s. Seriously, my favorite movie character. It's like kind of like a dream come true. But you know what? There's only one thing to me that's got to be cooler than Marty McFly. And that is the final costume in this package. I mean, seriously, what could be cooler than dressing up as a favorite candy bar from my childhood?
We're gonna go out for a night in the town.
You just can't say no to the classics. And what is more classic than the sweet simplicity of a Hershey bar? So yeah, they got something for everyone on HalloweenCostumes.com. Whether you want to dress up like a candy bar, your favorite movie character from the 80s, Sasquatch, you want to be a werewolf, you want to be a pharaoh, they're all up there. So go ahead and give them a look down in the description section and use the coupon code I got linked down for you to save 20%. But there's a question I've always kind of wondered about. How cool would it be to eat Hershey bars while wearing a Hershey costume? I think this is a big enough bag of Halloween candy. Oh, we gotta give special attention to those Hershey bars. Look at that bloom. I mean, that's like an entire night's haul right there. Just like on Halloween, they melted a little bit. So far, I can't tell if wearing the Hershey's costume is helping, so I'm just gonna have to do a little more research. So far, my favorite are the Hershey bars. If you told me there would be a day where I dress up like a Hershey bar and eat Hershey bars, I wouldn't have believed you. But today is a very delicious day. So what's your favorite candy bar? Better yet, what's your favorite Halloween costume? Feels like they snuck in more Kit Kats than anything else here. Switching back to my favorite, the tried and true Hershey's. Hershey's. I feel like I'm dominating the Hershey bars. Some of these are melted, but it's okay. They still eat good. I see a couple of these exploded, melted. I guess there are some things you should not buy in the mail. Chocolate melted over my hands. These things are going to become that much harder to open. Oh, got that one. God bless the Hershey Bars. They're just so easy to open. Just flip the flaps and boom, you're in. Hershey Bars. Only a couple Hershey Bars left. Hershey's. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to click that thumbs up button, subscribe to FreakEating today, and you'll never miss a new food challenge video. So until we eat again, stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.